guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, hi! Welcome back to my everyday and every other day vlog. Sure. And so for today's video, I am going to recreate a look from. I am going to recreate this look from Dominicsky or Domsky. I don't know his real name. This look. This look went viral on TikTok and Instagram, and I haven't yet created or recreated this look. So I will recreate this now. I will recreate that look now. Sure. So if you're new here to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and please watch all my videos, and please follow me on my social media accounts, Instagram at Darius and Evardo, and Facebook Darius Evardo. Without further ado, let's jump out to the video. So first step, I am going to apply face paint. So this is my first time applying face paint without base, like foundation, like that, liquid foundation. And I have already this, so you can watch it on my channel. So here, the red one, we're going to just the red one. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Sure. Okay, you gotta use your beauty blender or beauty sponges to blend the face paint. Okay. Okay, so after that, you're gonna use the yellow face paint to apply it and to lighten your other eyes. Okay, and create an illusion, fiery like that. Okay, sure. I'm going to set this using a powder. Translucent. Wait. Oh, by the way, my translucent powder or loose powder is Johnson Baby powder because I don't have any high-end loose powder. Sure. So, hindi na siya medyo dewy or oily. After that, I'm going to apply eyeshadow to set it again. Yeah. So, for this side, I will be using this one. So you gotta apply darker blue shades, dark shades of face paint to the outer part of your face. Then after that, you gotta add white face paint palette to your T-zone, just like how you apply concealer, or just like you're doing a normal makeup, just like this step. Okay. To set also. So same step. And for this part, I am setting the face paint to eradicate the oiliness and the dewiness of the face paint. Okay, please follow it if you want to repeat this look. Thank you. And now I'm done with this base. I will now add details in time-lapse mode. So yeah. So you're gonna use your black face paint palette or let's say faulty liners or liquid eyeliners to do that artistry or the details. So that's the tip. Thank you. For this part, I will be using concealer to make my eyeshadow. Yeah, making my eyeshadow. You know, cut crease as usual. Like that. Using this one, this one. So that wet brush. And now I will add details, then gonna make it there and see the outcome of this look. So I will end this and see the Hi guys, this is the finished look. Hope you like this look, and if you want to see more videos creating makeups and transformations, please subscribe and share this video, and please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts below. Instagram at Darius and Facebook Darius Evardo. And see you again on my next video. Hope you like this look. Bye bye. And by the way, I will be posting the products I use in the description box below.